Let me switch back to start presenting here. And let me share this. Okay, now this is for integer, and it could also work with the same idea with the decimal numbers. Now for the, I was go to the string data types. This one, the third one. For the string data types, we have character, var character, binary, var binary, blob, text, enum, and set. We have all of these data types. The most useful three, I'll say three, is character, var character, and enum. What about the rest? Do we use these, the rest? Binary, var binary, blob, text, set? Yeah, we do, but rarely. The most useful are character, var character, and enum. And from these three, character, var character, enum, character and var character, I would say that the highest priority. So I'll start with character. So I'll say here, for the character, let me stop sharing here, and I will share from here, share screen without audio. Now, if you go back to the same table, this one, first name, age, and salary. Let me sketch it again here. We have a table of 3 columns. First name, age, and salary. We have 3 records. I would say here we have 10, 25, 34, 1,900, 1,200. It's okay. I will focus only on first name. We have SAMER. We have GOI, Joey. And we have, say, for example, any name, Blessing, BLEESSING, I think like that. This is Blessing. I just said some names. Now, because the first column, it contains characters, we have 2 options. The data type could be character, or it could be var character. What is the difference between these two? Character, the first one, it's used for fixed length of characters. So if we say, for example, character of 3, that's mean in each record, in each of these records, we are able to save only 3 characters. So that's mean the first record we could save only SAM. ER will be omitted, will not be saved. For the second record, because it's only 3 characters, so it's okay. For the third record, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think 10 characters, it will save only the first 3, BLE. And the rest will not be saved. Okay, someone say, okay, I could change the data type from character 3 to be character 10. It is okay. All of these records will be saved. But we have an issue. Let me sketch it here. If we say character of 10, so that means for each record, the computer, the database, will reserve a memory of 10 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, and 10. So for the first one, we use sorry. It will be SAMER. What about the rest of slots in the memory? They will be reserved, but as an empty. So we have memory waste here. For the second record, we have JOE, and the rest will be reserved as an empty. The last one, BLEESSING, we have only one. So according to that, we will have all of these slots are reserved in my table on my database, but they are not used. So not used well. So because we keep them, we have them, but we are not using them. It's the same idea that we have with the integer, with the number, integer, tiny integer, small integer, medium integer. So that's mean character, it's not the best option for the first name column. Here it comes that we have var character. I would say var character, for example, sorry, not this one. It was this one. Yeah, var character, I would say 15. Just an example. By the way, do you get the idea of character? Any question about character? Car? Okay. Var character, let's say 10, 10, just to make it the same data type and the size. Var character also we will have 3 records. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, the difference comes here. We will have SAMER, and the rest are empty. Then what the system will do? The system will no, it will not be 0, 0. No. Let me do, I need to, yeah, let me do this one. No. Just a minute, a second. It'll not be 0, 0. Okay, let me, just a second. Let me sketch it again. I will do it one by one. I will do it record by record. So it will do with Summer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It will be SAMER. And the system will delete these. That's not working. That's not working. Now, let's be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I just sketch them as blocks. 10. So it will initially to reserve 10 slots, and you set SAMER. And then that, okay, we need only 5 slots instead of 10. Then it will delete the rest. We'll keep only the needed ones. Second record. Initially, it will start with 10 records, 10 slots, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And it notes that we have Joey, J-O-E. What about the rest? The system will delete the rest. We'll keep only the needed ones and delete the rest. What about the last one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So be happy, L-E-E-S-S-I-N-G. And notice that there is no need for the last one, so it deleted. The system deleted the last one. So that's mean the memory will be dynamic size. We'll have dynamic size of memory. So it's better memory consumption. Do you get the difference between character and var character? This is the most, the main difference between these two. Yes, Mohsen.
So my question is, if we have a var character where we can save the space, so why do we have the character one from the very start?
Sorry, could
Why
you
just we have this data type?
could you say a question again? I couldn't understand it. Sorry, could you tell me the question again? I couldn't understand the question.
My question is, we have a var character where we can save the space and we can still get the information, or we can enter the information. So why do we have the character one
the character
separately?
Okay,
Yeah, why we have the separate character from the very first place?
The first one. When do you need to use this one?
Yeah, why we have this then? If
Yes,
we can
I will
use the
tell
other
you.
one, why we have it?
I will tell you. Just give me a minute. I'll explain it. I will tell you.
Yeah.
In which case that we need to use the var character. Use the character, not var character. I will just give me a minute. Okay. Yes, Georgina.
Yeah, I just have a question in regards to why set up the character at 10 when we can just set it up to 100 anyways. So because it's going to be deleted anyways, whatever we don't use. And so that's going to make the memory more efficient, I guess.
For the character or var character?
Var character, for example.
Yeah, you could make it 100. Why not?
Yeah, and then it doesn't really matter, right?
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, initial the system will reserve 100 character, 100 slots. Okay, and then then when we insert the record, we need 5 blocks or slots. So it reserved only 5 and delete the rest. Yeah, you could start with 100. Why not? It's just I gave you just an example that it's 10. Just an example, by the way. Okay.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Now, because Masini asked a question about the character, I'll tell you when we could use that character. If we have fixed length of data, like what? Like postal code. All the postal codes here, we have 6 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do we have postal code of 5 characters? No. Do we have 7? No. In Canada, by the way, I'm talking about Canada. Do we have 8? No. Do we have 3? All our postal codes are 5 characters or 5, characters. So if we have a fixed length, okay, so it's better to choose the character rather than the var character because it's fixed, because you know the length of the record. You set the length of the record. Now, do you get the difference? Do you know when to use it? Ahsan. Okay, thank you. Okay, yes, and we have Georgina. Do you have another question? Because your hand is raised. Okay, thank you. And Hafiz, yes, Hafiz.
Sorry, I'm just asking about here we are talking about the type of data. For example, my social insurance number.
Yeah, it's fixed. It is fixed.
Yes. Yeah, first, is it an integer number because it is not a number in the mathematical meaning?
Yeah, 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 because here, yeah, it's one of the. Let me explain it now. It's okay. Thank you, Hafiz. I'll explain it now. Now, if we just say that I have a table of 2 columns. We have first name and SIN number. Okay, here we have 3 records, A, B, A, S, K, R, whatever. And here we have the SIN numbers. I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 1, 2, whatever. Same number of digits. 10 digits, 10 digits, 10 digits here. Which kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I would say 9. Which kind of data type that you prefer to use here? Do you want to use integer, character, var character, or I'll say, yeah, tiny.
I prefer character.
It's character? Is it character?
It is a string.
But these are numbers.
Yeah, but a string.
So, yeah, you're almost correct. I would say 90% you are correct. But why? It's a representative of a number. It's not a number. It's not a value.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a representative of the number. So we cannot use it as the data type as integer here, because we will not do mathematical operation for this number. For example, we will not do addition with this number with this one. We will not do multiplication among the numbers or divisions. So if you have a column that it could store numbers, but these are numbers, are representative of numbers. Okay, so you need to think about, do I need to do some mathematical operation in this column, like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication? Then I should select the numeric data type, like integer, tiny integer, short, whatever. If I do not need to do mathematical operations, then it is character. Correct, Hafiz? So all the rest of students, do you get the difference? Do you get the idea?
Thank you.
Most welcome. What about the rest of students? Okay, so I'll give you another example here. If I have a phone number without dashes, without hyphens, without parentheses, just numbers, 64777783456, and the rest here. What do you think the optimum data type here? Is it integer or it's character?
Character.
It should be character, not var character. It's character, because we have fixed length of characters. It's 10 digits, 10 representative of digits. All of phone numbers, 10 representative of digits. So it's character, not var character, because my phone number is 10 representative of, I would say 10 digits. Yours also 10. We do not have 9, 8, 6 for Canada, not international. I'm not talking about international codes. So it should be character. Yes, we have. Hafiz, do you have a question? Your hand's raised, still raised.
It's stressed from the previous question.
Okay, that's okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Most welcome. Yes, Nuha.
I want to ask, please, so what will happen if we choose character, if we choose var character, despite we know that it is a um, fixed
No,
data?
var character, it works.
Okay.
It works. Okay. But for better performance, because you have fixed length, you already know the length. So it's for better performance for your queries, for your design, you set it as character.
So the better performance is for what? The memory is going to be reserved perfectly as it is dynamic, so it will work. So why is the other one going to give us a better performance?
Correct. Now, if you have billions of records, and when you do this query, and you say the length is fixed, you will get the data faster because the engine knows that all the records is with fixed length.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
And I think also it minimizes the error.
It minimizes the error. It's for the check. We'll explain the check with the constraints. We have the check constraint. By the way, Hafiz. We have validation. We do have validation.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah, what if I have a column here? Just an example. I'll say age 30, 35, 20, 60. What do you think? Which kind of data type?
Integer.
That's just
It's a
integer.
weight character.
It's tiny int. It's tiny int, not integer. It's part of a numeric, but it's because the range of tiny is between 0 to 255. The integer from 0 to, I think, 1 billion. Integer works? It works. But does it match my need? It's more than my need. So age is a numeric data type. Because it's numeric, I have tiny int, small int, short int, medium int, integer, big int, others. Yeah, it's numeric, tiny ints, correct. So, is it clear till now? Any question, any concern, something that I need to clarify it more? All good, all of you? Yes, Noha, ask me, yes, please.
I'm sorry, I just want to know the age. Are we going to perform any calculations on?
Yeah, maybe add, finding the mean age, the average, the max age.
Yes.
You might need it. Yes, and yeah, another question. Okay, what else? Any question? All good? Then I think, yeah, I think I will stop till this point today because by the way, I didn't ask you, which part that you covered last week? I didn't ask this question. What was the intro? It was about what? Because I started direct with my class. What did you cover last week? I forget this part. Anyone could tell me what did you cover last week? Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, please. Yes, Georgina. What did you cover last week?
It was basically an introduction, not so thorough like this one. However, we did have like a class activity that we were supposed to hand in, and it was about the tables, and there were like sort of questions about tables, and how to go about understanding the tables and what could go wrong when reading the tables.
Okay. I think so. Because I think I start directly with the tables and the design. So was it easy for today, or you still have some confused about it? It's good?
I
Sounds
think
good.
it's very
Yeah, it's
clear
good.
today.
Thank you.
Okay, most welcome. So I think the importance about sending restriction to control the inputs. No, Georgina, to control the inputs, this you're talking about the same concept that Hafiz is talking about. We control and restrict the input and prevent some errors with the data type, correct 100%. But we do have a check restriction, a constraint. When you do the design of the table, there are some constraints within the time. We will learn something that's called check, CHECK. It checks the input of the end user. For example, I need to validate the input. Does the input between the range 0 and 9? So I have to check, like, it's like a flag. So does the input match the criteria or not? If it matches, then it passes. If not, then you have an error. So beside the data type, it controls the input and prevents some errors, correct 100%. Okay. But to control it more, we have to add the check constraint. We will learn the check, I think, in week 6 or 9. I'm not sure. It depends on the progress. It depends.
Thank you.
Most welcome. So what I will do now, I will just mark our attendance. I think we have, yes, Mohsen.
So I just want you to show us like on the website how to get that